So we're gonna test the pH scale with a red cabbage and vinegars, baking soda. We have some lemon juice and lime. You can go ahead and pause it if you don't have those stuff out already.
So what you boys are gonna do first is you're gonna use those knives very carefully, and you're just gonna chop it up into small pieces, like you're putting it in a cabbage soup. And if you start on the other side, Cyrus, so you can hang on to the cabbage, there you go.
Okay, Barley. Cabbage. I dumped it on my head. The cabbages into each of these 4 jars, and then put in solids and liquids to find out the pH level.
What is your hypothesis? What do you think the color is going to turn? Anything blue to red?
I think it's blue.
Baking soda is a base. Let's see what color it turns.
White.
Through that. What color is it?
Blue, guys.
Is it more acidic or is it an alkaline?
It's an alkaline.
Ready, set, go.
Yeah, light blue. White blue. Red. I said it was red.
It is acidic because it's more red.
Do you not see it? It's red.
How? It's a reddish color.
It's a dark red.
When I was researching this, a lot of them did the lemon juice, but I accidentally bought a lime. And so now I'm really curious if the lime does the same thing as the lemon juice. Do you think it's going to?
Yeah. No.
Come find out, Rager. You're gonna have to squeeze it in there.
What do you think? Blue. Purple. No way. It looks like blue.
Wait, red.
Oh, wait, that's turning a reddish color.
No
way.
Pink. Pink.
It is like a pinkish color.
It's pink.
So is lime or lemon juice more acidic? Which one has more acid?
Lemon juice.
The lemon juice. No. Whoops. Well, see what that does. You know, the interesting thing is that this is how they do hair color dyes, how they do shirt dyes. They use the pH scale to know what color your shirt's gonna turn. Do you think you want your hairdresser to know the pH scale?
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of don't want purple hair.